Trap gospel. Ay, ay.
Yeah, I heard the rumors. Word around town, they said QE ain't a shooter.
Ain't a what?
Don't make me walk down with the ruler. I got respect with detectives.
Leg was itching, boy. What's going on, you guys? So, on. Hey. What is that, bro? We back with another unboxing video. That's right. Boom. You see it. You see it. You see it. Oh, shoot. What's that man named? Iron Man. I'm cold, boy. We got Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. You see it. Now, this is not mine's. Actually, this is my older brother's. He basically said if you wanted to, you can go ahead and do an unboxing video on it, because I know you do unboxing videos and you could do like a review. Unbox them. Yep. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. I didn't think I was gonna need any scissors or anything. I shouldn't, but y'all already know what this is. It's a watch, man. That's ooh, hey. Okay. I'm not weird, all right. I'm not weird. Stop saying I'm weird, all right. Using our fingernails today, y'all. I don't feel like getting them. One second. Alright, boy, I ain't playing, boy. I got some scissors now, boy. Stop playing with me, boy. Can't mess the box up, bro. The box is always important, alright? The box is always important. No matter what kind of box it is. That's where most of the money go to, the box. Not really, but some cases, things like this, yeah. The box, ooh. Hey. Hey. Let's throw that to the side. I believe on the back it says he got the, this is what, space gray. He has an Android. I have an Apple. He got an Android and I got a and I got a iPhone, y'all. So this is it right here. Right here, we're gonna take this bad boy out. Gently put that to the side, if you know what I mean. Let's open this up. Let's see what else we got. Throw that to the side. Let's keep that right there, boy. Let's keep that right there. Hope that's in the shot. I hope it is, because that's gonna look beautiful. Power brick charger. Some notes. Ooh, they gave him an extra. I guess it's an extra, yeah, extra band. Extra band right there. That should be come in handy, you know, if something happen. Assuming this is the charger for it. Right there. Let's sit this bad boy, like, boy, let's sit this thing over here, boy. Why you moving, bro? Nobody told you to move, bro. And this is, I don't know what this is. It's either a stand or I want to say a portable charger. Like you lay it on there and charge. Or a stand. I don't know. I don't know nothing about this. I'm just opening it. Alright. Boom. That's done. Put that to the side. I forgot what he said. He said the price was around, what is it? How much this thing he said? 400? 300, 400, something like that. You got a Samsung. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, let's grab the watch, the main thing, while we're here. I'm assuming it should be able to pair with any other device. I'm not sure, alright? I'm not sure. I don't know. Alright, let's see, man. Throw that right there, bro. Put that right there like that. This thing clean. Ooh, hey. Ah, yeah, I see. I think that's how it charges. This right here. I don't know. I see some sensor. Unless that's just like a hot reader. Let's see if we can turn this thing on. Woo! Yee! Yee! What that thing saying right there, boy? Move this to the side. What that thing saying, boy? Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. Ooh, that thing saying Samsung. I'm gonna keep the stickers on here because it's not mine. So, oh shoot, let's see what this thing's saying. Welcome, English, United States, next. Okay, I can do this for them. Gear S3. Download Samsung Gear on your phone from Galaxy Apps, Play Store, on apps. Alright. I mean, do I really need to do that for this video? I guess I can, because it's just a review. Alright, back. I got my tablet. It said go to the Play Store. Alright, everybody listen up, man. We're going to the... Don't be looking at my tablet, y'all. Alright. How you go to the Play Store on here?
One eternity later.
But anyway, you guys, how that thing look? It look feminine. How that thing look? Alright. So cringy, bro. This is cringy, bro. I apologize. But anyway, if you enjoyed this unboxing video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. More unboxings to come, y'all. It better get real. It better get real. For real. Cause you know how we ride. You know how we rolling. You know how we rolling. But anyway, man, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, all that good stuff always. And make sure you subscribe. Yeah. You only got one life to live. Live it. But don't Give it.
So I roll a big block, 100 guns hitting in some garage. I can't paint a nigga like the top of her eyes. Million niggas in the world that don't like me. It's okay, they gon' respect me regardless. Niggas watch they mouth, they know we gon' off them. G-lock on me, we don't deal with revolvers. Not 22, that bitch don't give me no problem.
You be cool being the bump every fall.